Within each project, the editing of sources is available. To access this section, we need to enter the project. Click on View Sources, and then on the pencil icon for Edit Source of the file we want to edit. This takes us to an editor like the subtitle editor with the project's subtitles loaded. Each subtitle includes its identification number, the time it appears and disappears on screen, a real-time indicator for each line's frame, text box, symbols insertion capability, the ability to split a subtitle at the cursor position, or merge two consecutive subtitles. Additionally, we can add or delete subtitles. A video can be added and used as a reference, and subtitles can be loaded onto it by clicking refresh. Finally, completely new subtitles can also be added, or the current subtitle can be downloaded as SRT or VTT. udltool.com